Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over how to do a paired t-test in Excel. So I have some mock data here, participants 1 to 4, so we've got a very small sample size. Pre is before the weight treatment, post is after. N is the number of participants. We can see there's 4. But if you have a long list, these numbers on the side will help. You can left click, highlight, and then down here, count is 4. And if you want to do a function test for count, we see count in the list, otherwise type it in up here. Click OK and highlight, and we see 4, and we can drag this across, and average or mean. Excel uses the term average. Left click, OK, and standard deviation, STDEV. And we just need 1 or 2 decimal places. Right click, format cells, number, and we can drag these over. So we can see the weight went down 1.5 pounds, and the p-value will park our answer over here. Only one p-value, otherwise there's 2 sets of summary statistics, one for each sample, but the p-value is not just for one of the samples, but it's the difference in the means, probability that the difference happened by chance. And anything below 0.05 probably did not happen by chance, and it's due to something else, like the diet treatment in this scenario. So we'll go to FX and look for t-test. Here it is, otherwise type it in like this, t-test, and we'll click OK. Array 1 is the first sample, left click, hold it down. Array 2 is the other sample, post, and tails default is 2. That means we're open and interested in 2 directions of the weight, going down or up after the diet treatment. If it went up, then it looks like that would mean the diet treatment was not effective, and in fact may have caused a weight gain, especially if it's statistically significant. So 2 for that is our default. Type of t-test. There's 3 types here. 1 is paired, that's what we want, and 2 and 3 we'll be using later in the course when we're comparing independent samples, like 2 different states, cancer rates in 2 different states. That would be both 2 and 3 would be applicable to comparing 2 different states. Sometimes paired is referred to as dependent samples, just meaning there's a pair. Each participant has a pair. So type, we're going to use 1 for this assignment. And we'll click OK. And it's not significant. We see it's large, greater than 0.05, and we just need, I like to have 4 decimal places. A lot of stat programs, dedicated stat programs, reported in 3 or 4 decimal places. So if you're not using PSPP, you'll need to calculate these. PSPP does these 3 automatically, but these are 3 very common stats reported in the health science research. And thank you for watching.